Okay, so I'm looking for quite a toy, a dog toy to sell in my shop, but I can't find any good ones. Aha, I found one. It's perfect. And it looks like it's been loved. Okay, now we can settle down. Let's put it right here. There's a neighborhood dog that comes around my shop and plays with this ball, which I've kept for a little bit, but now I'm gonna get it back. I wonder if this toy belongs to the neighborhood dog. I want to keep it, but I need to find out first. Hey, is this yours? I'm gonna guess yes. It's yours. Oh, it is yours. Gotta keep this safe before I steal it. What are you doing? Want to buy this? You have to buy it back from me. I found it. You left it sitting in the middle of the ground. Hey, stop. What are you? Hey! Oh, dang it. Where's that tennis ball? Maybe I can try selling this instead. Or distracting it with this. Hey! Hey, can you give me this, please? Give me. Please. Give me the dog toy. Don't steal it. Hey! Finders keepers. I found it. You're putting up a real fight. Hey, get back here. You're faster than me. Give me your toy, please. Can I have this? You stole this from me. Got me. Yes, finally. Mine now. Now I've got this dog toy. And now I'm gonna put it on my favorite shelf in the store, the middle shelf. Hey, are you following me? I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw it. Oh! Works every time. Hey, get out of my shop. Thank you so much. Nothing like selling stuff in a shop, right? Well, now it's time to finally relax because I finally got the dog toy I've been really wanting for a while. Hey, where'd the dog go? Where did that dog go? Ball is sitting right here. Maybe I can get them to come out if I throw the ball. There you are. What are you doing in my shop? can see you. You want to explain yourself? I'm going to sell it on a higher shelf, even though I like that shelf the most that I have it on right now. I probably need to get more dog toys. I don't want to risk that one. There's too many spiders. Bad condition. Maybe I can find the good condition one near here. There we go. Though there might be spiders. I don't see any spiders. Maybe I can try fending off the dog with the basket with it. Hey, why are you so close to the entrance? Thank you. This one's really high quality. It's definitely been loved by someone, and I think that someone's the neighborhood dog. You know, it's just perfect and every. No. What are you doing? Hey, don't take my. Hey, no, you're gonna take it. No. Get back here with the toy. Can I have that? Hey. You know what you're doing. Yeah, come here, give me this. Or I'm gonna sell you too. You and toy together. Maybe I can get this for my dog. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Get out of my shop. You're not allowed. You're not allowed in here. Wow, an airplane. Somewhere. I don't know if that was seen, but. Hey, no. What do you think you're doing? Well, nothing like hanging out in my shop. Okay, I don't know if I can trust you. Can I trust you? Can I trust you to watch this toy without taking it out? Since I need to go to, hey, can I trust you with this toy since I need to go outside and get some more dog toys? But I need to trust you in particular because you are the only one I feel like I can trust. Since there's no one else around that I can trust with dog toys other than an actual dog, okay? So if you could keep watch over this for, I don't know, a good hour, maybe you can finally have this toy for free. As long as you promise to actually watch it and not play with it. Since we don't want you to do that, so that if someone else does want it because you don't pass the test of watching this, then you will not be able to have this for free, okay? Hear me? I'm gonna guess that you do. So I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna trust that you can watch that appropriately, okay? Alright. Now I gotta figure out where all the good toys are. The good dog toys, the high quality ones. That's a bug. It's a wasp. Gotta be careful. Bees. I wonder if I can trust that dog. Hey! You're supposed to be watching the toy. You stole it! I knew I couldn't trust you. I was only giving you a chance, and you failed the only chance I'm ever going to give you. No, you're not going to be allowed to watch it ever again, because I don't think that you can do it. You decide that this toy is yours just because you saw it. That doesn't make it yours. Yes, you're the one who probably torn it into pieces, but does it really need to go to a dog that does that to toys? It should be restored and given to dogs that actually enjoy their toys instead of using it as a stress ball like us people do. Because you wanna know what happens when you do stress balls? They burst. But if you actually use them appropriately and not rip them apart, then they will stay intact. And you can do it all you want. Same thing for the dog toys. You're breaking it, and now it probably can't be restored. I said it probably might be, but I don't think that's possible. But I'm still not giving it to you for free. I also can't get these plants water for free, but I always forget to water them. I need more stuff for my shop. Maybe I can go buy some stuff, but I don't really trust you to watch this anymore. So you're gonna go do some stuff on your own dog time, and it has nothing to do with this toy or this shop. Only with yourself and anything else but this shop and this toy. Okay? Can you please go find a different dog toy? Because this dog toy is being sold. I mean, for sale. It's not for free grabs. Okay, doggy? But what is your name? Fluffy? Daisy? Astrid? Your name's Astrid! Astrid! Oh my gosh! I noticed you kind of responded to Daisy a little bit. Is your name Daisy? Is your name Daisy? No. Oh, it's not anymore. Astrid. Astrid. Hey, Astrid. Do you want to find a different dog toy to play with? Let's find a different dog toy to play with. What's a good dog toy? I'm gonna have to think for a second. Ooh, I know. Let's go find that tennis ball. Maybe I can retrieve it this time. It seems a little bit out of the underneath. Yes. Perfect. You want to play with that one? Here. Let me throw it so that you can go and fetch it. Okay? Ready? Go! Oh. Maybe you need a little bit something more colorful. Not colorful, but just happier looking. Hey Astrid, do you want to play with the football? Bumpy football? Get it. Maybe that toy is made for you. No, it can't be the only toy that you love. Maybe there's some more over here. Nope, nothing but bugs. I'm getting out of here. So, is that joke truly made for you? I think it is. You want to fetch it? Want to go fetch it? Go! Yes, it's definitely the toy just for you. I shouldn't have started selling it and blamed you for wanting it. Because there was all these toys out here that were just as good. I'll go sell the other 2 toys in the shop. You can have that one. Because obviously your favorite. I'm sorry that I tried to take it.